Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a simple poster. For the example, I redesigned the movie poster call and I made it in Figma. Okay, first I found the original poster as a reference and I keep it on the side. Nah, yes. Okay, next I set the frame to A4. It's a simple size and people usually use this frame for posters. Okay, then I drop in two character of the main character, two photos of the main character. I don't put them into the frame yet. I just keep them outside so it's easier to play around. So here I add a black rectangle behind the photo, then I mask the photo with that rectangle so the gradient effect only applies inside the photo. After that, I change the fill to a linear gradient. On the top part, I keep it fully black, but on the bottom part, I drag the opacity all the way down to zero. This creates a nice fade effect so the photo doesn't look like it just cut and paste. Then I repeat the same process for the second photo. Next, I drag them into the A4 frame. Now we've got the best layout ready. Here, I use a split grid inside the frame to align everything. This keeps the composition balanced and makes the poster look cleaner. Okay, here I'm just fixing the photo in the frame, playing with the gradient what rectangle, just making sure it looks smooth. Since this is a trial movie, I add another dark gradient layer on top to give it that intense atmosphere. And here I'm using a rectangle with a radial gradient, not linear, so the fade looks softer around the photo. I just lower the opacity and play around with it until it feels right. After that, I add another rectangle, but this time I switch it to linear. Now let's make the photo stand out a bit more. I usually adjust the contrast here. When you increase the contrast, the dark parts get deeper and the bright part pop out more. It makes the whole photo feel more alive and give the poster that cinematic look. Okay, next I add the movie title. Since I couldn't find the font they use. I just took the original title from the poster and removed the background. After that, I dropped in the Netflix logo. I got it from the iconic plugin. It's super easy, guys. For the small text like only on and the release date, I'm using Poppins font. It's clean and simple. Then I type in the release date right below. Okay. And finally, I add the cast name to keep them aligned. I set up margins by placing a rectangle on the top left and bottom right. Then I turning on rules to drag out guides. This make the text look neat and professional. And that's it. The redesign of the call poster is done. Thank you for watching, guys.